Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make beef brisket grilled cheese. Yes guys, beef brisket grilled cheese. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so I am using shaved beef brisket and it's got a little seasoning on it already because I let it sit overnight, and those same seasonings I'm going to add just a little bit more on today. So I'm going to be adding some onion powder, garlic powder. This is a hickory bacon seasoning that I'm going to add in here as well. Give it that little bacony flavor. Just a tad bit of sea salt and a tad bit of black pepper. And guys, I'm going to be using, you can use any thicker bread. I have a multi-grain sandwich bread that I'm going to be using. So you just want to go in and massage your seasonings in. Like I said, I added these seasonings in last night and let it sit in my refrigerator overnight as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to add just a little bit more on it today. Okay, we're going to go over to our skillet and get this going. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is heat up your skillet and add a little oil to it. Now we're going to be using 3 different cheeses and we'll get to that in just a little bit. You don't need a lot of oil, but just a little bit. Then you want to put your brisket in there. I think it's nice and hot. We're just going to cook it for 5 or 6 minutes, moving it around a little bit. You don't want to overcook it. Okay guys, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes. I've turned it around or moved it around quite a bit. And we're done enough. So I'm going to put it back in my little bowl here that's been washed. Okay guys, so for actually building our grilled cheese, we're going to need mayo, butter, just regular butter, salted or unsalted, and 3 cheeses. But guys, I will say this, 3 cheeses of your choice. I am using Gouda, which is my favorite. I have some white cheddar here, and I have some Monterey Jack and Colby mixed. You can use whatever cheese you like the best. And as I said, I had some thicker multigrain bread that I'm going to use. So the first thing we're going to do is layer it with cheese, starting off first. So I'm going to layer this bottom part here with cheese. And we're not going to spread our mayo on until our sandwich is built, because we need to sit it down in there. Quite a bit down here. I like a lot of cheese, so you put the amount of cheese on your sandwich that you would like to have. Then we're going to go in with some of our delicious brisket, guys. Amazing, amazing. And you know what? Some people like their biscuit rare. Feel free to cook it super rare. When it comes to the grilled cheese, I like mine to be a little more done. Now I'm gonna go in with the Gouda cheese. It's gonna melt all through there. And it's okay if you waste some cheese, you can always collect it in the end. And some white cheddar cheese on top of this. Okay, now we're going to put mayo on our top half of our bread. And guys, the mayo part is going to go mayo side down in the skillet. Mayo side down in the skillet. Now you can skip this mayo step, but it makes it extra crispy, makes your grilled cheese extra crispy, and it gives it such the flavor, guys. You'll be amazed at the flavor it's going to give. Okay. So we're going to get our skillet, and we're going to get this first one in just one moment. We'll be right back. You want your skillet on medium to low because you want to give this cheese time to melt. We're going to go in with about a half a tablespoon of butter. Mayo side down first. Anything slides out, guys, stuff it back in. Okay. We're going to put mayo on the top half. So we will be ready to flip it over. Flip it up and let that cheese start to melt. We'll be back. Okay, so we are ready to turn this over. Careful, careful, careful. Oh my goodness, look at how golden brown that is. Isn't that delicious looking, guys? Yes, okay, let's let this side cook. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are all done here. This out of the skillet. Oh my goodness. We're gonna give this a slice in just 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so let's see what the inside looks like. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Look amazing. Ooh, look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, guys, we are ready for our taste test. Oh my goodness, guys. Take another look, take another. Can you see all the cheese in there? Oh my goodness. Without further ado, I have already cut me off a couple of pieces because, as you all know, at least those of you all who have been with me for a while, I cannot pick up a sandwich and bite it. I have to put pieces in my mouth. Therefore, oh my goodness, seasoned to perfection. I don't mind cutting my sandwich. If you are not subscribed to me, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll always be there every time I upload another amazing recipe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Share me out. Share me out, share me out, share me out. For those of you all who are subscribed to me, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And for those that just subscribed, welcome. Welcome to the Chef Crew. Guys, I also have channel membership. Everyone is welcome. And don't forget your made from scratch t-shirt from Teespring. Those links are in the description. And guys, I'm getting ready to go finish my sandwich. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Mm, mm, mm.